Hello coders, welcome to an exciting Python programming quiz adventure. Do not forget to comment your scores in the comment section below. Let's start. What is Python? Which symbol is used for single line comments in Python? What is the output of which data type is used to store a sequence of characters in Python? Which of the following is a valid way to define a function in Python? How do you create a list in Python? Which operator is used for exponentiation in Python? What is the output of which of the following is used to get user input in Python? What is the purpose of the len function in Python? What is the correct way to create a tuple in Python? What is the output of What is the purpose of range function in Python? What is the result of which method is used to remove an item from a list in Python? What is the purpose of open function in Python? What does the plus equal operator do in Python? Which of the following is an example of a Python dictionary? What is the output of the following code snippet? Which function is used to convert a value to integer in Python? What is the output of? How do you define a function with parameters in Python? What is the purpose of the init method in Python classes? How do you create a copy of a list in Python? What is the purpose of the with statement in Python? What is the output of the following code snippet? Don't forget to write your score in the comment section below. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.